こんにちは、It's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make Fruit Sando, a popular Japanese fruit sandwich. Juicy seasonal fresh fruits are embedded in chilled whipped cream and sandwiched between two slices of pillowy Japanese milk bread. You can find these sandwiches in convenience stores, Fruit Sando specialty stores, and Depachica food halls in the basement of department stores in Japan. Luckily, we don't have to go to Japan to eat it. We will make it at home. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Ichigo. It means strawberries. You may heard of ichigo daifuku, which is a mochi filled with white or red bean paste and fresh strawberry. Ichigo also means the numbers 1 and 5. Ichigo, have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!